Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix Microsoft Visual Studio Code open a folder or workspace live server error. So if you have a specific file in here on a folder and when you go live, it will show an error, then you're onto the right guide. So the first thing that you need to do in here to fix that is to remove all of the files that are currently open onto your Visual Studio Code first. So as you can see, we have removed that and it is onto the project folder on our OpenCV project. So for us to be able to go ahead and refresh this so that it should fix the issue is we're going to go ahead, click in here to open a folder. Click on to open folder in here. And then right after, you'll just need to go ahead, locate that specific file. So that file was here onto the project. We're going to select that folder and it should open something like this. So you'll just need to wait for this one to load. And as you can see, it has opened already. And right after, you'll just need to click back again onto the code. And then you need to right click onto your mouse for that and click onto open with live server. So you'll just need to wait for this one and try to see if that one fixed the error onto your end. And that is just basically it on how to fix Microsoft Visual Studio Code, open a folder or workspace live server error. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.